Hi guys, good evening. So I'm Arlene from the Philippines. Hello, good evening. How are you doing today? So today I will have my dinner, and actually I wanna make a video of how I was cooking it, but I wasn't able to find the correct spot to place the camera, right? So I will just make a video of now I'm eating, okay? So but before that, I want to thank our subscriber for continuously supporting our channels. Guys, our channel is already monetized, so you will be able to see some ads running through the video. So please don't skip that. Uh, Let it run because that will surely help. And yep, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, guys, please subscribe. It will really mean a lot to me. And so let's go to our eating to mukbang, they said. Actually, so let's check it out. So I will bring you. So don't mind the kitchen because it's still uh, mess over there. I have to clean it afterwards. Okay, so I cook. As you can see, I cook pancit or noodles in the Philippines, and it comes with carrots and cabbage and some prawns. So let's get ready because I'm really hungry. I didn't have proper breakfast and lunch, so that's why I'm really hungry. Okay, so let's go do it. Okay, 1 second, guys. Actually, what I cooked today, this noodles, or we call it pancit bihon in Tagalog, is good for like 4 or 5 people. But since I am alone, then I will put it actually in the fridge, and then I can heat up for the next 2 to 3 days. Okay, so let's eat. So I just cooked it like 2 minutes ago. So it's very easy. You have to first saute garlic and onions, and then if you have meat, then you have to follow it, or seafoods or something like that, followed by cabbage and carrots. Then you have to put some soy sauce or fish sauce, or some magic wrap, or some magic syrup, something like that. And then you saute it and let it cook for a little bit until it's half cooked. Put some water, and then put the noodles actually, and then just stir it until it's cooked. But the trick is you have to soak the noodles first in the water for like 30 minutes so that it's easy to cook, right? mm. According to some, actually to my sisters and to my mom, they said pancit tastes much better on the next day. So that's why if we are cooking noodles here or pancit, we are always cooking a lot because we always have it reheated on the next day. So most probably you are wondering because this is my dinner. So where's the rice, right? So but the guys, I'm not eating rice in the evening, or sometimes I eat rice, but it depends. If I have noodles, and the noodles is equals rice already. So I was very happy, or I am very happy because I'm able to have this, because I have been looking forward to it. I wasn't able to get this from the market because I don't want to go there when I went out because of social distancing, effect. So, but I was able to get the vegetables from the veggie shop the other day, so it's good. The prawns actually I have is from, yeah, I bought it from SM, from the grocery. I bought it already peeled, so I just soak it in water so that it's ready in time for this. A lot of people, they like to mix soy sauce with calamansi and some chilies, and then pour around the noodles. So but for me it's okay like this. Here in the Philippines, when you are celebrating birthday, anniversary, or even Christmas Day or New Year, we are cooking something like noodles or pancit because that ensembles long life, you know, long-lasting relationship whatsoever, associated with longevity, you know, that any relationship will last long or you will live longer. So I think now I realize it, since today is the day that our channel has been monetized. So maybe this is a celebration thing, you know. So I cook noodles. I'm really unaware about that. I just figure it out. There's a difference between how people are eating. Actually, I know in Japan, when they are eating noodles or soup, no, especially soup, they are making this slurp sound because it means that they appreciate the good food being cooked by the chef. So it's an appreciation for the chef. In the Philippines, sometimes, you know, like me, sometimes I am eating a little bit loud, and yeah, I got like, why are you eating so loud, you know, something like that. But when I was in Germany, all the people there, they are eating so quietly that you will not hear any sound, even it's something fresh, you know, if the vegetables or fruits. It's really, they are trained to, yeah, to be so quiet when eating. Sometimes I cannot help it when I'm making the sound, especially when I'm eating carrots and cabbage, and as well tomatoes, because when they are crispy, you know, you cannot just I don't know. It will take a lot of time to really, yeah, I think really grind it. So guys, what is your favorite snack time or dinner time? So most probably pancit, right, for dinner. And by the way, since I am eating, I I remember one unique Filipino trait or something when it comes to eating. For example, you are eating with your friends, like or 4 or 5 people in a group, and then you're sharing like 6 slices of pizza, right? So it means that everybody already got the share, right? So like for example, like 5. So there's one left. So here in the Philippines, normally you everybody will let it like stay there, because they don't wish to be branded like very greedy when it comes to food, that they cannot stop themselves from eating. But it's only in the Philippines, So in Tagalog we call them like matakaw, because you cannot stop yourself from eating. But in other culture, it's normal, when you want to have the last piece, then it's okay, it's good. But here, normally, we don't want to take the last piece, right? Because we don't want to be branded as matakaw. It's a little bit weird, but that is true. It's only happening in the Philippines. So, but since I am alone, I can eat as much as I like and nobody will call me matakaw, right? So guys, I cook a tasty pancit for me, but I guess my mom's cooking is still the best. But it's good for me since I am alone. So thank you so much, guys, for bearing with me while I'm eating. Sorry that I make such noises when I'm eating. I cannot help it because the cabbage and the carrots are so fresh and crispy. So I cannot stop it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have a nice evening. Bye.